Hi, I'm Sherry Lynn from Casa Grande, Sunshine Stevie Schreiber from Riverside. And I'm not going to say the name of my church anymore because they have a file on me. That's why I say God has a sense of humor, because he named someone that has a hard time saying R. Sherry Schreiber in Riverside. And I was born in Arizona. I was entertainment for a relative of mine. Can I say your name? When I was little. Oh, goodness. When I was an adorable little sunshine. Come out and say your name. Shall we? I was so embarrassed. That's why I said, shall we? It so embarrasses me. Yeah. Really? We were that poor that I had to be your entertainment. Yes, it did happen. And yes, I'm saying more things that are getting me into trouble. And yes, I understand why they don't want to talk to me anymore, but that's okay, because no toxicity in my life. So I'm going to do this in a southern twang. No, I think I'm going to do it in my sweet. No, which one? Which one, Sherry Lynn from Casa Grande? Or Stevie from Tennessee. I think I'll do Stevie from Tennessee if I can keep on that one. Yeah. If wishes were fishes, if wishes were fishes, we'd all have full dishes. Am I the only one to hear this reply? Oh, all of these lies. So many, excuse me, achoo! So many bruises, so much blood, and now that she is nearing the end, the hurts and contusions and sprains or breaks or whatever they were, you try so hard to get these off your chest before it's too late for either one of us. That's why I've been, excuse me, achoo! Telling my children as much as I can that no matter what, I will and always will love them, and making sure they will remember me as loving them first. Hey, I had a 9 months head start with all three of them. Anyway, there was something I was meaning to say, and then I strayed. What's new? Don't let this day, achoo! Oh, excuse me. Don't let this day go by without finding at least one thing of which you are grateful, thankful, even if it's just the fact that you are breathing easily. I think we sometimes take for granted. I have had asthma nearly all of my life and suffering from it again. So I should know. Look outside, listen to the singing of the birds, hear the, excuse me, achoo! Chickens next door, bringing up good memories of Granddaddy's cotton farm, running around barefoot in my bathing suit, white blonde hair, having a good time, even smiling happily, 'cause I knew there would be no beatings while my Granddaddy was around. I miss, excuse me, achoo! That farm, all of that sunshine and cottonwood trees to climb up high, and where I could hide. If I close my eyes, I can smell the, excuse me, achoo! Oh, achoo! Oh, achoo! Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry. I can smell the dusty dirt road and the oh so many cottonwood trees and the water in the ditches. Didn't like the nights though, way too quiet and no lights for miles, except the stars, of course. I don't miss having to help Grandma either to go pick the chicken that would be that night's dinner, or the catfish from the farm, because I knew from the farm, the pond on the farm, because I knew she fed the parts of the chicken we didn't eat. Achoo! My heaven, though, is still being somehow able to still write my poetry and plant seeds in nearly 70 countries, only through God's amazing grace. And I will be happy if I can touch just one hurting soul, let them know that they are not, achoo! Oh, I'm so sorry, that they are not nor have ever been alone in their misery. The misery will end when you ask Jesus to come into your broken heart. My sweet Jesus, to come into your broken heart, shattered, broken, crushed, poor heart. Then there will be a little flame in there, I promise you, to warm up everything. Feel that Jesus-sized hole that's in the deepest part of your soul. You've been looking, so I'm just saying. I'm just saying, hon. And one last, excuse me. Achoo! Oh, achoo! I'm so sorry. Achoo! Oh, excuse me. And one last question, then stick a fork in me, 'cause I am done. Will I be remembered when I am gone? I was trying to keep a straight face. Did I do good? Did good? Did I do good? You like my pigtails? Reminds me I wanted to say hello to my friends in Germany and in France, bonjour, and in Russia, privyet. And I hope I pronounced those correctly and didn't offend anyone in particular. And just hi to my friends that are deaf. Friends that are deaf. I think, did I do okay? And especially, I think his name was Hans. I hope that's pronounced right, but you know who you are. You wrote that just really sweet, very enthusiastic. To me, when I needed to be helped and thought, oh, should I keep up this poetry thing? Is anybody listening? See, I rhyme. I can't help it. It just comes out achoo! Naturally, just like the sneezes and the twang. Thank you so much. And yeah, hey, you know, all video, I've written almost 700 poems that have actually praised God, gone into praise God, have gone into, I've lost count, around 70 countries, the latest of which is Finland. So thank you. I'll have to learn the hello for Finland. But I loved the German. That was cool. Hallo? Made me feel like Heidi with my pretty braids. My husband is German. Schreiber means writer in German, so I guess I married the right person. See? Should have been a white rapper. Yeah, right. So I'm going to end this now because I'm losing my voice, as you can tell. Yeah. So God bless you, yours, and your ministry. And remember that Jesus loves you and me and him and her and him and her. And all of us will have to learn that in ASL. Okay. Remember, stay in Jesus mode. Was in not a good place this morning. Thinking about my conversation with someone yesterday, a close relative. That was one of the abusers, and another abuser I've just let out of my life because you can't have toxicity in your life. And asking her why this another person wouldn't reply to my phone calls, etc. And it's, yeah, I told the truth. Excusez-moi. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to keep on doing it. Stay in Jesus mode. Listen to Jesus music. And read his words. Pray. And fast. It's a good thing to fast, but only if you're a grown Christian. Just a little tip. Okay, I'm going to say TTFN and see you later, alligator. That didn't turn off. Okay, I'm going to try it again. No.